In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your American Megatrends BIOS, and it's all going to be wrapped up in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and get started with a few easy-to-follow steps. The first thing you need to do is identify your motherboard model. This information is crucial as it ensures that you download the correct BIOS update and prevent any potential issues. Now, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This brings up the Run dialog box, which is an efficient way to access various tools and settings in Windows. Next, type in emsinfo32 and hit Enter. This command will open the System Information window, which provides detailed information about your computer's hardware. In this window, you want to look for the entries labeled Baseboard Manufacturer and Baseboard Product. These fields will tell you the exact make and model of your motherboard, which you'll need for the upcoming steps. Armed with your motherboard's model number, head over to the official support website of your motherboard's manufacturer. It's important to use the official site to ensure you're getting the latest and most trusted update files. Once there, navigate to the section labeled Support or Drivers and Downloads. Here, you'll want to filter the downloads specifically for BIOS or firmware. Find the latest BIOS version that isn't in beta and download it. The file will likely be in a compressed zip format, which is quite common for these kinds of updates to maintain file integrity. Make sure what you download matches your motherboard model to avoid any potential mishaps during installation. After downloading, extract the contents of the zip file directly to a USB drive that's been properly formatted and ready for this task. Now, restart your computer, and as it boots up, press the appropriate key to enter the BIOS setup menu. This key varies depending on your motherboard's manufacturer, but it's often F2, Delete, or ESC. Once inside the BIOS, locate the Utility section where you can update the BIOS, and choose the BIOS file you saved on the USB drive. Now begin the update process. It's crucial here to let the update run its course without any interruption. The computer may restart a couple of times during this process, which is perfectly normal. Once the update is complete, you can go back into the BIOS setup to double-check and confirm that the update went through and the new version is installed. And there you have it. Your American Megatrends BIOS is now updated. Feel free to leave a comment if you encounter any hiccups or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and until next time.